Medyo dugtong ito kanina, but this one, more on tamad. So, ang problem ho is severe yung case. However, the documentation, hindi severe. Now, when do this happen? Kasi a lot of this actually occur, toxic naman talaga yung pasyente. Ang problema ho, tamad yung doktor. Be it the attending or the resident, ayaw mag-document. Ayaw magsulat or hilaw ang sinusulat. Wala hong documentation or kulang. Pero in reality, septic yung pasyente. Yung BP, hindi lang kinopya, hindi lang inayos, etc. etc. Kung CAP-MR, hindi lang maganda yung history. Hindi, wala po lang side notes. There's no proof of it being severe. So when the CF4 is created, minimal information is transferred to the form. And that becomes doubtful. Sinabi ninyong septic, pero ang nakalagay naman dito, napaka-benign. When PhilHealth pays, okay, a very expensive rate, it's a guarantee that they will read it. Yung mga rationalized case rate, babasahin ni PhilHealth yan. So, yung rationalized case rate, stroke, hemorrhagic, ang laki ng case rate, o yung rationalized case rate, napakalaki. Make sure yung documentation ninyo maganda. Kasi magbabayad do sila eh. Okay? High risk pneumonia, malaki din yung rate. So when you put in there severe, make sure that the vitals will substantiate it. Okay? Example, ito number 12. One of the most common problem in the hospital, lalo na sa level 3. Severe yung pneumonia, pero hindi naman sinusulat. Ang iba pa nga nakalagay clear lungs. Okay? So, at times this becomes doubtful. Pero of course, pag nakita mo yung pasyente, di ba, intubated. Yung pinadala nila na papel, clear breath sounds. Okay? Kasi, ang pagkagawa, wala hong mga side notes ito. Okay? Swerte na lang kung magaling yung nursing service ninyo at doon kinokopya. Di ba? There are some instances, again, lazy doctors. Okay? With a lazy physical exam. Ruptured appendix. Okay? Surgery, gagawa sila ng surgery. Ang nakalagay, soft abdomen. Ano ba ito? Soft abdomen sa umpisa? O hindi? So again, pagdududahan na naman nila. So hihingi ba sila ng additional documents or hindi? Wala kang guarding, walang rebound tenderness. What if it does not fit? What if the initial PE really does not fit? Okay? Gagawa ba tayo ng fraudulent? Hindi naman. Pero make sure, kung ito yung final ninyo, sana yung narrative. Okay? Sa course in the ward or probably in the middle of the confinement, may lalabas ng mga signs and symptoms that will point to a ruptured appendicitis. Okay? Hindi ho yung blanco at biglang bigla lang hong nag-exlap AP ang surgeon at wala naman hong mga explanation in between. Doon sila magdududa.